Hello everyone. Once again I am here with class 12 physical education planning in sports and today's topic is tournament. So before starting my video I would like to remind you, do not forget to subscribe our school channel and click bell icon for getting all notifications. Now our today's topic is tournament. One thing I want to mention over here, all literature related with tournament, types of tournament, meaning, advantages, disadvantages, I will explain in my next video. Today I am here to tell you how to draw a picture of knockout tournament. Knockout tournament is a part of tournament. Basically tournament, four types: knockout, second one is a league, which is also known as round robin tournament, third one is a combination tournament, and fourth one is a challenge. So today our topic is knockout tournament. Today I will tell you how to draw a picture of knockout tournament. For knockout tournament, it's a progressive round tournament. Knockout tournament, it's a progressive round tournament. Teams, those who lost their matches, automatically they eliminated from the tournament, and those who won their matches, they proceed for the next round. For knockout tournament, how to draw a picture, this I am going to explain you. My dear students, as you all know, for conducting any match, we have to require at least two teams. And for final match, of course, two teams are required. Suppose we are going to conduct a final match, then it means for final match, we have to require two teams. If we conduct before one more round of final match, it's a semi-final match. Before final match round is a semi-final round. In semi-final round, we have to require four teams. Same with for quarter-final round. For quarter-final rounds, how many teams we have to require? We have to require 8 teams. Now here you can see in final match, one team will won the match and one team of course loses match. Same with semi-final. In semi-final, 4 teams are required. Out of 4, 2 teams will proceed for the next round, means proceed for the final round, and 2 teams will be eliminated from the tournament because these 2 teams will lose their match. If we see the quarter-final situation, then again 4 teams will won the match and proceed for the semi-final round, and of course 4 teams will be out from the tournament. So here one thing is clear. For conducting knockout tournament, we have to require teams in power of 2s. Power of 2s means we have to require with the 2 to the power 1, to the power 2, to power 3, to power 4. Means 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3, 4, and so on. Means 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. It means if we are having a total number of teams 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, then we can easily draw a picture of knockout tournament. Now I will explain you how to draw a picture. Suppose we are having total number of teams are 8 and we have to draw a picture of knockout tournament. So first, total number of teams is equal to n is equal to 8. Here n is a symbol of total number of teams. First, we have to arrange teams in this manner: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we will divide these all teams in two halves. One will be upper half and second will be lower half. And for dividing even numbers in knockout tournament, upper half and lower half, formula is n upon 2. Formula is n upon 2. It means 8 upon 2, 4. 4 teams, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be in the upper half and 1, 2, 3, 4 will be in the lower half. This is our upper half and this is our lower half. Now we will conduct a round 1. In round 1, two teams will play a one match. Suppose first match between 1 and 2, second match between 3 and 4, then next 5 versus 6, then next 7 versus 8. Suppose in first match 1 won his match, it means 2 out from the tournament. Here 3, it means 4 eliminated from the tournament. Similarly here 5 and 7. Now you can see 1, 3, 5 and 7, they won their matches, so that's why they are proceeding for the next round. And 2, 4, 6 and 8, they lost their matches, so they are eliminated from the tournaments. Now we will conduct round 2. In round 2 again 1 versus 3, 5 versus 7. So here suppose 1 won the match and here in this match 5 won his match. So it means 3 and 7 eliminated from the tournament. Now we will conduct round 3, which is last round. 1 versus 5 and suppose 1 won the match, then 1 is our winner. And here our 8 teams picture we can draw like this manner. One more thing, for knockout tournament, total number of matches. Formula is very simple, it's n minus 1. Here total number of matches. How to we calculate? Its formula is n minus 1. Means where n is total number of teams, means 8 minus 1, 7. So we can cross check it. How many matches are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 matches are here. It means our picture is right. This is the picture of 8 teams. In the same manner, you can make a picture of 16 teams. Now, one more point is here. Of course, one question is coming in your mind. What will happen if total number of teams are not in power of 2's? Means, if total number of teams are not 4, 8, 16, 32, then how do we will draw the picture? For this condition, we always arrange teams in the manner so that we conduct the match. And for arranging this system, for arranging this procedure is known as giving by. Now one new word is coming here, by. So what is by? By is a privilege given to a team, and by team does not play in a first round. I am explaining once again what is by. By is a privilege given to a team, and by team does not play in a first round. Now I will draw a picture of 10 teams in which we will arrange by also. So first, total number of teams n is equal to 10. So first step, we have to arrange the teams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now next step is dividing the teams in upper half and lower half. The formula is n upon 2 means 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So first 5 teams will be in the upper half, next 5 teams will be in the lower half. This is our upper half and this is our lower half. Now here you can see as 10 is not power of 2. So in next step we will see what is the next power of 2. Means what is the next power of 2 of 10. As you can see 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. These are the power of 2's. Then 10 is coming in which two numbers? 10 is coming here. Means after 8. After 8 the next power of 2 is 16. It means 10 is coming between 8 and 16. Same way 12, 14 all numbers will come. And for finding by we will minus next power of 2 with total number of teams. It means we will minus 10 from 16. So here we will get 6 byes. Now it means we will arrange 6 byes over here. For arranging by, one universal formula is here which I am going to tell you. You keep in your mind. First by always given to a lower half lasting. If you have to give a 1 by, then of course you will give a lower half lasting. This is V1. Second by is always given to a upper half firsting. So if you have to arrange 2 byes, then only this manner always you will arrange. Now for third by. Third by is always given to a lower half firsting. And fourth by always given to a upper half lasting. In this manner we used to arrange by. If total number of byes are more than 4, then again we will follow the same procedure. As you can see here we have to arrange 6 byes. It means 2 more byes we have to arrange. It means again we will arrange byes. So B5 we will give to a lower half. Second last team, because last team already we arranged by. So here B5 and then next B6. Now we are ready to draw a picture. So now I will conduct a round 1. As I already told you, by is a privilege given to a team, and by team does not play in a first round. It means the teams, those who are having by, they will not play in a first round. So now without by we are having in upper half only 2 teams, 3 and 4. So one match will take place between 3 and 4. And here 7 and 8 in lower half. Suppose 3 won the match and here 7 won the match. Now we will conduct round 2. For round 2, now in this round by team will also play. So first match suppose between team 1, between team 2 here. This is first match and suppose 1 won the match. Next match between 3 versus 5. Suppose 3 won the match. Similarly here. In second round by team also play the match. So 6 versus 7. Suppose 7 won the match. And here 9 versus 10 and suppose 9 won the match. Now we are having 4 teams. We will conduct a round 3. In round 3, 1 versus 3, suppose 1 won the match, and 4 versus 7, suppose 7 won the match. Now we will conduct a final round, round 4, 1 versus 7, and here suppose 1 won the match, then 1 is our winner. So this is the picture of 10 teams where 10 is not power of 2's. Same way we will draw the picture of 12, 14 and so on. One more point is here. One question is coming in your mind. If total number of teams are not in power of 2s and number not in even, number is odd like 9, 11, 13, 15, then how to draw the picture? This procedure, how to draw picture, I will explain you my next video. When total number of teams are not even, means total number of teams are odd, then how to draw picture, this I will explain you in my next video. Till now you have a homework, 2 questions I am giving you. Question number 1, you have to draw a picture of 16 teams when total number of teams are 16. And this is first question, and second question is when total number of teams are 14. These 2 pictures you have to draw as a homework, and in my next video, as I told you, I will explain you how to draw a picture when total number of teams are not even, means teams are odd. Thanks being a part of this video. Very soon I will come again and I will give my next video. Thank you everyone.